Welcome back. I'm going to sit here and walk you through the process of making spruce tip syrup. It's a springtime favorite. You make it in spring, it's ready by fall. It sits in the sunshine, melts, pulls all the vitamins and minerals out of your spruce tips and flavors, and it's just absolutely delicious in cocktails. I'm going to start off with a big mason jar. I'm going to put some vanilla extract into it. And then we're going to take some brown sugar and your spruce tips, and we're going to layer them layer by layer until it fill it up. So here's the brown sugar. Here's my bag of spruce tips that we picked in the spring. Then once we've layered it up, we're going to let it sit in the sun for a few months. And it's going to dissolve all the sugar and create a nice thick syrup. So sit back, relax, and follow along with the video.